Imagine sitting down, grabbing your guitar, and playing a real song from start to finish. Well, guess what? Today's that day. Using just 2 simple chords, you'll be able to strum your way through Horse with No Name, one of the easiest yet most satisfying songs ever. Plus, I'll share an easy way to keep improving from here. By the end, you won't just feel like a guitarist, you'll be one. All right, so this is a great beginner guitar song because it uses just 2 chords. And we're going to use the 2 chords that I already taught you. So we're going to use the E minor and A sus2 chords. So an important thing to know is that this song uses a 4/4 time signature, or it's in 4/4 timing. And you don't need to know exactly what a time signature is yet, but what you need to know is that it means there's 4 counts in each section of music. In each section of music, it's called a bar or a measure. So a bar and a measure is just 2 ways of saying the same thing. So this is a bar or measure or piece of music. So in that section, there would be 4 counts. So you'd count 1, 2, 3, 4. And that would take you to the end of that bar. Then you move to the next bar or next section of music. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next section. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how we're going to count along to the song when we're playing it. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start with our E minor chord. Again, keep your thumb in the middle of the back of the neck. Really keep a good arch in your fingertips and keep space between the bottom of the neck and your palm of your fretting hand. So here's the E minor chord. And we're going to start with a simple quarter note down up strumming pattern. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1 bar or 1 measure. So you've done that. Now you're going to change to the A sus2 chord. Remember to keep these 2 fingers together, lift them up, move them down 1 string, and you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just down, up, down, up. So again, that's 1 count of 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 1 bar or 1 measure. Hey, if you're enjoying this lesson, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It helps me know what to create for you next. Thanks so much, and let's get back into it. So you're going to do 1 bar on each chord. So the E minor for 1 bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then move to A sus2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, ideally with the A sus2 chord, you don't want to play the low E string, but if you do, for now, it's not a big deal. So practice going back and forth for a 4 count on each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eventually you want to try and get these chord changes quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. At first it's okay, you're probably going to have a bit of a gap between these 2 chords, so you play 1, 2, 3, 4, and you probably need a little bit of time to get to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. But eventually you want to have it so that you don't hear any change in timing at all. Your elbow is going steady timing, and you're just changing back and forth. So it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the trick with this is to start slower than you think you need to. You want to keep a nice, slow, steady speed so that even if you're slower at doing the chord changes right now, you're still keeping steady timing when you change back and forth. And you can gradually work your way up to full speed with the song. So once you can play that, you can actually play along with the song. So this strumming pattern isn't the exact same strumming pattern from the song, but it will still sound really good so that you can play along with it. And as you get more and more advanced with your guitar playing, you're going to have different strumming patterns that you can use for songs like this and other songs. So focus on doing some good, clean chord changes. Try to make sure all the notes ring out clearly. Try and keep steady timing. Start nice and slow, slower than you think you need to, so you can stay steady time, counting 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you should be proud right now. You're playing your first song, Horse with No Name by America, and really celebrate this win right now, because it's these little wins that build up into the bigger wins as you get better and better at playing guitar. You've made it this far, so I know you're serious about improving your guitar skills. Why not keep the momentum going? Hit subscribe to make sure you don't miss our future lessons, and then click on your next lesson right here. I think you'll love it. I'll see you over there.